and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl amzolinek. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your bed under 3 minutes. So making your bed first thing in the morning, it's a great way to start off your day. So once I got off the bed, I take off all the duvets, the pillows, and set aside and allow the bed to ventilate. Then I go have a shower, play some music. This is why I'm dancing. So yeah, and first I just cover up my mattresses with the bed sheets. Always remember, good habits equals a good life. Try to incorporate some good habits into your daily routine, and it is the little things that matters, and it just makes life easier. Next, spread out the duvet and take the duvet cover, turn it inside out with your fingers pointing on both edges and slide it through the duvet. For the pillows, do the exact same thing as you did for the duvets. Next, tuck and adjust things as desired and throw on your bed accessories. Lastly, spray some fabric or air freshener, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.